Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. It's a pleasant Saturday morning and I got a call from JMB Aprilia. They invited me for a breakfast ride tomorrow morning, which is on Sunday, with all the RS 457 riders. The destination is to Mudaliyarkuppam, East Coast Road. They also informed me that riding jacket, gloves and helmet is mandatory for this ride. So that's when I thought of checking the condition of my Shimano riding jacket, which I bought back in 2019. But unfortunately it wasn't in a good condition. It was covered with full of dust, the colors faded away and the shell became soft. And I realized that it's time for me to upgrade to a new riding jacket. I browsed on the internet and I finalized 3 riding gears showroom here at Chennai. The first one is the Phoenix Pro Biking showroom, which is located at Nandanam, Chennai. Phoenix Pro Biking is selling multi-brand riding gears at their showroom. The second one is the Rhinox exclusive showroom, which is located at 1000 Lights. They are going to sell only the Rhinox riding gears at their showroom. The third one is the Power Sports, which is again located at 1000 Lights, Chennai. They are selling Corda and Magna riding jackets. The budget for my new riding jacket is around 7,000 to 9,000 rupees. I shortlisted 3 riding jackets in my list. The first one was from the DSG brand, which is the DSG Race Pro V2 riding jacket. The price of that riding jacket came around 11,999 rupees, which is slightly above than my budget. But still I loved the design of that riding jacket, so I consider it in my list. If the fitting is good for my body type, then I will plan to increase my budget and I will proceed to purchase it. The second riding jacket is from Rhinox brand, which is Rhinox Air GT4. The price of the Rhinox Air GT4 came around 6,950 rupees. But the only problem with this riding jacket is that it doesn't come with either rain liner or with warm liner. The third one is from Corda brand, which is Corda Fury riding jacket. This one comes with warm liner as well as with the rain liner, and the price of this riding jacket is around 8,450 rupees. So first let's head to Phoenix Pro Biking, and if I got satisfied with whatever riding jackets they are showing there, if I like the fit and finish, then I will proceed to purchase it. If not, I will go to the other 2 riding gear showroom and then I will finalize my decision.
So we have finally reached Phoenix Pro Biking biker store, and now we are going to get inside the store and see what kind of riding jackets they are having. Hi guys, this is the riding jacket which I purchased from Phoenix Pro Biking, and that's from Solace brand. This is Solace Rival Urban V3 riding jacket. The main reason why I purchased this riding jacket is the comfort which it provided. For my body type, the fit was super good, and they have provided multiple straps in this riding jacket. In one side of the hand you'll be having 3 straps. On the wrist you have 1 strap, and on the arms you have 2 straps. They also provided a zip liner on the wrist as well as a velcro strap. On the front we have the PowerTech CE level 2 protection, and on the shoulders, wrist and back we have the SafeTech CE level 2 protection. The price of this jacket is 7,950, and with that they have provided a warm liner as well as a rain liner. The warm liner which I bought along with this jacket doesn't come with a sleeveless fit. It comes with a full hand fit, which is a lot more welcomed. And they do have another riding jacket from the same brand. The cost of that riding jacket is 6,500 rupees. The design, everything is similar to that of this riding jacket. The only difference is that it doesn't come with a warm liner. Also, they have provided multiple reflectors on the front as well as on the hands for better visibility during the night time. For 7,950 rupees, I personally felt that it's an exceptional value for money jacket, and most importantly, it had a perfect finish for my body type. So undoubtedly, I purchased it. As a complimentary, they also gave me a chain lube and a chain cleaner from Phoenix Pro Biking. So that's all for now, and I think I have covered everything in this video. If you have any doubts about this riding jacket, please let me know in the comment section. See you guys in another video. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet, and take care.